Okay, so I started something on YouTube, which is YouTube membership, and that is going to see most of my amateur videos move into the membership session. And by amateur video, I mean the videos I produce with my cell phone, my lazy productions. They are lazy productions quality wise, but they are very powerful content wise. I teach very amazing things in those videos, but they are now going to be only accessible in the what is it called, membership session. So there are two categories of membership I've provided. One, for something below $2, you'll be able to access all those embarrassing yet very rich contents that I have put out on YouTube. Very amazing content. I wanted to take them down, but I couldn't take them down because they were so beautiful, and I wanted to put them in a place where they would only be accessible by those who have subscribed to my channel. But then there was no option for that. The only way you can put it in a place where they will only be available to those who have subscribed to the channel is when you put it in membership. Because if I put it in public, everybody who has subscribed and those who have not subscribed will also get to see those contents. So there was no way to do that except creating membership. So that is the one category, the one for under $2. You get access to it. It's a monthly subscription. I get to make more of those videos and put them out, and you get to enjoy them, you see. So that is one. Then the second category of membership I did was for under $5. You get access to the lessons, the videos, the lesson videos, all of that, everything on the channel without adverts. So I'm just gonna upload this part where I turn off the ad, because let's face it, I know we complain about the adverts. For one, I think it's good for you because there is a break. You can catch your breath while the ad is running before the next segment of the lesson begins. And I check the ads. I actually check the ad. I watch my videos and see if there is an interruption that is unhealthy. If there is, I go to the editor and I edit and remove it and all of that. So but then if you want it without ad, of course I need the monetization, I need the revenue. It's not so much, but it's something, you see. So I need that revenue to help me make the videos that I do and all of that. If nothing, at least I could get a subscription for data to keep uploading these videos for you. But if you want it without the ads, you'd rather get it without the ads, there are two options. It's either you enroll into YouTube Premium, but maybe all you're doing on YouTube is with learning Igbo language and there's not enough you're doing on YouTube to be paying YouTube Premium. Well, you could just use my second option, the Premium membership. The Premium membership is just for less than $5, and you have all these videos that have no monetization on it. It's a monthly subscription too, according to the way YouTube make membership. So these are the two options, and these are the reasons why I did membership. I am not running the channel for money. No, I'm not running the channel for money. Even when I do one-on-one, I charge money because it takes data, and of course I'm an entrepreneur. Teaching Igbo is not the only business I do, by the way. It's a hobby, it's a passion. When I wear this tie and do my regular work and I'm bored out of my wit, I come on my channel, the Igbo teaching channel, to have fun. This is where I unwind. I love you people so much. I love what I do here so much. It's a hobby for me. So this is where I come to unwind after this tie is trying to choke me and all that. So that is what this channel means to me. And I really love doing what I do. It's not for the money, it's not for the pay, it's not for the salary, but it costs money to run this channel, and something's got to give. And if I'm going to do a one-on-one, it's going to be something you have to appreciate, something you have to value. Most people say that I undersell my one-on-one and I price it very low, and it almost looks like but then I just trust what I'm doing. I don't want something that is so high. It's not my livelihood. It's not where I make my living from, you see. So it's something I do by the side, but then I want it to be with respect. So I'm not doing a one-on-one that something that is not value or doesn't have a value attached to it. And as time goes on, the value, price or cost for the one-on-one may increase depending on whatever it is. Maybe I'm trying to demarket my one-on-one or something, but right now I'm just committed to helping you learn And I want to say thank you to all my one-on-one students who have taken one-on-one with me. I really love you guys. Like I usually tell them, those times when I have to interact with you, talk with you, bond and teach, is a very beautiful time for me. Helping people achieve their goal. You know, when you're helping people achieve their goal, it gives you this sense of, what would I call it? It's like a sense of fulfillment. You know, you are relevant in another person's life. You see, when students come to me, they're like, I really have this goal to speak this thing, and I'm grateful, first of all, that I have the ability to help. You know, it's not everybody that can speak Igbo that can teach Igbo. It's not everybody that can speak a language that can help another person learn the language. So that I have the skills to help somebody else learn the language is something I'm grateful for. You know, being useful in one more way is something I'm really thankful for. So I don't take the channel for granted. I don't take you guys for granted. I don't take what I do here for granted. And I want to say thank you, every one of you, for being with me on Igbo Made Easy. So this is what I'm doing, membership. And you're going to be seeing a join button that you can follow to join. I think at the moment there may be a little hitch on it. I don't know what is happening with YouTube, but I've sent feedback and they should work on it pretty soon. So it's all set up, it's running. It's just for the button to appear, the magical button to appear. Some of you have asked me where can we find the button. So that is going to appear, and I want to say thank you all for that. And finally, remember the one-on-one special. All of you that have not taken one-on-one this year, I understand how tight your schedule can be, and I work with your time. With any time that you have, I can make it work. Trust me, I can make it work. I'm a time superpower. All my one-on-one students are amazed. All I ask you is, when is your most convenient time? Then I check my schedule, check my calendar, check my bookings. Do I have time on that time, or can I find something just next to it? It will work. You will learn how to speak Igbo. Just make the effort. If you didn't make the effort, how would you know? You see, book a one-on-one this special, and of course I'm just one me. If it gets to the point where I'm all booked out, I still wear this tie. I still have this tie, taking my time. But if it gets to the point where I'm all booked out, where my Igbo teaching time is all booked out, then we'll have to do it some other time. Or maybe you want to work with somebody else. Yeah, I can hook you up with somebody else who can teach you, but that person won't be me. So just send a message, ASAP, let me know that you want to take the one-on-one special, and that'll be arranged. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. I really, really, really do not take you for granted, and I do not take this channel for granted, and I do not take this special hobby, gift giving. This is my giving. You see, I may not have given so much money, but I've given value, and it's beautiful for me when I look on the channel and say, okay, I was able to be consistent with this, and you were part of what I was doing. Thank you. I love you all. Mama Katie, I love you, and every one of you. I love you all so much, so much. Ekama. Thank you. Basi. Dalu. And all my special friends. Yeah, my special friends. I made special friends this year. Special friends. I just want to say thank you to every one of you. Dalu. There is one I have to mention his name. Diamond Tutu. Diamond Tutu. Diamond Tutu. I don't know what to say about you. I have to say thank you. You're a good friend. You're a good guy. Hey, you're a good guy. And I'm glad I met you. Thank you. Dalu.